Hello, it's the Dazzling One teaching tips and tricks to the everyday girl. I'll get your gorgeous to you. In today's video, we are going to learn how to revive, renew, and oh yes, reuse. It could even be repurposed. So, let's get started. As you heard, I'm creating a series called Revive, Renew, and Reuse. The way this series has come to is I have been in this process of going through my makeup and looking at colors and different things. Something that we all do, and I'm sure I'm not the only person. If you're a person that's a makeup junkie, whatever's new, you use that. You use that. There's something else new comes and you use that. Well, I was going through some of my drawers and drawers and drawers of makeup that is, that I haven't used in a while. That's still excellent makeup, former colors, and different things like that. So I'm going to do a series that's going to show you how to create current looks using former colors. If you still have former colors using around that you might still have lying around. Now, before we got that magnificent Chroma Fusion line, in Mary Kay we had a line called our mineral color, which we had for years, and they would change colors and do updates and different things like that, and constantly making the formula better like they do. But I said, you know what? I think in my video, one of the Sea Swept videos for summer, I talked about how you can take other colors and create your own Sea Swept look. Well, that's what are 4 colors that from our mineral line. One is Precious Pink, Peacock Blue, Lime, and Azure. These colors are beautiful, but I'm going to put a spin on them using the same techniques and steps that we used in the Sea Swept video to create a Sea Swept look with the mineral colors. So even if you don't have Mary Kay former mineral color brand, the premise of the whole Sea Swept look is a blue, a green, a soft color like a copper, a soft gold. But I'm in since Azure and Peacock Blue are such bold in your face kind of colors, I'm gonna soften them up with and my base is going to be the Precious Pink. You probably really won't see it once all said and done, but it is gonna be there as like just a base, a place that a starting off point. It's a very, very soft pink, and all be shown on the screen next to me. Next color I'm going to take is the lime. Don't worry about the fallout, we'll clean all of that up afterwards. Isn't that lime gorgeous? Oh my goodness. It's been so long since I used it, I forgot how beautiful it is. Using my angle brush now, I'm going to go into my crease and just a little into the lime with Azure. Now for the Peacock Blue. And I'm just going right in the outer corner with the Peacock Blue. blending the colors together, and then we're going to clean up using our Mary Kay blending brush. And I know it still looks a little crazy because we need to clean it up. Oil-free eye makeup remover, which is also a Mary Kay product. We're just cleaning up any fallout. Whatever foundation you're using, just to kind of, you know, touch up where you took the foundation when you were cleaning up your fallout. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to line our eyes, and I'm also going to tight line using the black liner mechanical pencil. It's really good if you make any mistakes. I always do the Q-tip after I do my liner in case I make a mistake with the liner. I want the lines to be precise. Just kind of go back in with the dry side if I didn't use it, and it up as well. Off our eyes, we're going to use our Mary Kay Ultimate Mascara. Our lip liner, which is raspberry suede, and it is rose blush. I not normally wear this color with these eyes. I forgot what it looked like, but it's always fun to pull out former colors that we felt we used to use, that we used to love, and use them in new and updated ways. I've completed the look. I have revived, renew, and reuse some former Mary Kay products, use them in a current way. They are so excellent. They're excellent products. So go through your drawers, look at what you still have that you used to be, you know, some of your favorite things. Have a wonderful day, and remember, like, comment, and ding 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 ding, hit that notification button so that you always know when there's new videos being launched. And have an amazing day. Bye bye.